Here are our clever space machines again. Come on, let's play with this one. It's called a lunar transporter. It has a grab to lift heavy vehicles. Let's start the engine and move off. Here are some modules for a space station. Let's load the blue one. Perfectly done. Now we'll take it to the station. The module will be installed into its blue locating panel. Great! Now, the next module is a green one. Now, don't rush, be careful with it. Well done! Are we ready to install it into its green panel? Great! Red is the last color module. Loading. And installing. Perfect. Let's go for another mission now. Wow. That was a deep hole. We will have to fill that. Here is another deep hole. Let's fill it with white stones. And here is another one too. We'll have to fill that with stones too. Now our transporter can travel faster over the ground. And finally, here are the coloured modules for our astronauts. They have been sent from Earth through space. Let's load them. Here the orange module fits onto an orange base station. And we'll plug in the oxygen source. Just look how happy the astronaut is to be going home. Let's return to collect the next module. Here, the green one is transported to its green locating station. Installing. Plugging in the oxygen hose. Now let's open the door. Welcome on board, astronaut. This blue module is the final one. Oh, be careful, transporter. Okay. Plug in the oxygen hose. Open the door. Welcome on board, Mr. Brave Astronaut. Congratulations, your mission is successfully accomplished. This app is available on Google Play and App Store.